Is your snoring at night bothering your partner? Have you been given a CPAP machine but just can't tolerate it? At Dentaltown, they provide snoring and sleep apnea devices that are custom fitted and deal with the very issue that bothers a lot of their patients. Dentaltown is conveniently located at the Mowbray Marketplace and open 7 days a week. For more information or to make a booking, give them a call on 6326 GENTLE. That's 6326 4368. Or visit them on dentaltown.net.au. Dentaltown, Launceston's home of dentistry.